Hello everyone, I am Outside. Welcome back to our channel EDU, the place where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for digital marketing success. Today we have an exciting topic for you. Google Ads create new accounts. Whether you're a small business owner, a budding marketer, or just curious about online advertising, this video for you. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up a Google Ads account from scratch. We will cover everything from account creation to campaign setup, so you can start reaching your target audience and driving results. Why use Google Ads? Before we dive into the setup, briefly discuss. Google Ads is such a powerful tool for business. Google Ads allows you to display your ads on the world's most popular search engine, researching millions of potential customers every day. Cost-effective, highly customizable, and offers various and formats to suit your goals. Now get into the creating your Google Ads. Create new account. Follows those simple. So let's go computer screen. At first, open your web browser and type ads.google.com and hitting. Now click Start Now. Log into your existing account or Google's Ads. Create new account. This email can also be linked to your Google Analytics or Google's Ads Manager account. After you log in or create a Gmail account, you will see this page below. For the purpose of creating and setting up a new account, you will want to click New Google Ads Accounts links. This will take you out of the campaign creations. One more time, Google will promote you to try and create a campaign with your manager account. Click the link below that says create a new account. Then click skip campaign creations. Confirm your business information details like as select billing country, time zone, and currency. Google may be autofill this data for you. If you want to notification performance, click yes button and hitting on submit. Congratulations, all are done. Now your account is created.